Hello YouTube. Today I'm going to be showing you how to find the blue switch in Super Mario 64. So let's get right into it. So first things first, you need to do is there's a few steps. It's not like the red power switch. So first things first, you need to beat the first Bowser, which I already did. And then you want to go unlock the door, the basement door. And then you want to go to this wooden door. And then you want to go on this door with this, no. You want to go just where the blue flame is, to the wooden door. And we're going to be needing to drain the water. I gotta say that it goes the easiest: red, blue, and then green. And you only need 10 stars to do this. Then you want to ground pound these two pillars. And then you just want to do some long jumping. And you see that hole? You want to hop in that hole. No, go and get it. There we go. And you just want to slide down. There we go. The reason why I was being quiet was because I was focusing. And then voila, we unlocked the Vanish Cap. And then what you want to do, once you collect all 8 red coins, you're going to grab the hat. And there is a 1-up in here. And to just leave, just jump in the hole or die after you activate the switch. So I hope you guys liked the video. Please hit that subscribe button, hit the like, and leave a comment down below. And hit that bell so you know when I post a new video. Goodbye.